Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And today we will talk about third semester assignments for the subject project management, and this is applicable for December 2022 cycle. Before starting this assignment, just make sure there are two different subjects. One is project management, and the second one is IT project management, and both are for two different streams. So make sure that this don't get confused with project management and IT project management. So for IT project management, I have already uploaded the video. This is specifically for project management. So in this video, we will see that what are the various questions, what is being asked in the questions, what needs to be covered from the book, and additionally, we will cover one important thing like how to prepare the charts. If you see the questions, if you have gone through the assignment, there are a few charts which are being asked in this assignment. So we will see how we can quickly and easily prepare those charts via Excel. So let's quickly start with our assignments. This is specifically for December cycle. So all the students, the regular students who have enrolled in the month of June, July, August, September 2021 are now in the third semester, and this is applicable for them. As you already aware that assignments cover 30 marks out of the total 100 marks for each subject, which is having three questions for second, third, and third B, each are of 10 marks, and in which you need to write around 1000 words plus minus 10% is totally acceptable. And two important concepts which I reiterate in each of my videos is: very first one is the copy case, and second is plagiarism. So don't share your assignments with anyone, that's very important thing. And the second one is plagiarism. If you are using internet, or you are googling something, or maybe you are referring to an NMIMS portal or an NMIMS presentation, still prepare the assignments in your own words, otherwise you will fall into plagiarism and you will get a 0 marks. So let's quickly start with the assignments. So this is the PDF. So make sure the course is project management, don't get confused. These are the three questions for second, third A and third B. So let's start with our first question. You are going to organize a dinner party with your 60 batchmates. Prepare a project proposal indicating the project charter and a detailed project budget. So it's a normal thing. We organize the parties, the dinner parties. This is for the batchmates. Batchmates means who belong to your batch, maybe the college mates or maybe the school mates. In this we need to do two things. The very first one is we need to prepare a project charter, and the second one is we need to prepare a detailed project budget. So we are splitting this question, the answer, into different parts. So let's see what page numbers to be referred. So very first one is we need to give an introduction to the project charter, and we need to prepare a project charter as per the case study of the dinner party. Second one is we need to brief about the project budget, and we need to prepare a project budget plan as per the case study. Which page numbers to refer? 141 and 314. So let's quickly see 141. So if you go to the page number 141, there is project charter. So project charter is basically a small document which comprises overall scope of the project, overall objectives, what are the type baselines, what are the various stakeholders, cost of the project. It's basically a complete overview of the complete project. If you see the project charter, so this is a sample project charter. It's a simple Word document which you have prepared. If you want to prepare it in Excel, you can, but I recommend to prepare it in the Word document. How you can just prepare it in the Word document? It's pretty much simple. Wherein, sorry, I think it's been opened something else. If you go to the Word document, then it's very simple. You just insert a table, and you can just maybe create multiple tables as per your need. Like if I'm creating multiple tables, or maybe you can just create a single table and create the subtables to it as per the, like if you want to create this. So this way you can easily create a complete project charter. For the reference, one sample is given in the question. You can take help, and you just need to brief about, firstly we need to brief about the project charter, and secondly we need to project prepare the project charter for the dinner party. What needs to be covered, purpose of the project, project scope, budget, risk, milestones, authority levels, tolerance, and the tolerance of budget and tolerance of schedule. So these all are the five key elements of the project charter which you needs to be covered. Now going to the second part is the project budget. So quickly going to the page number 314. So if you go to the project budget, so project budget is means what's the overall project, and if you bifurcate the project, like if you're organizing a dinner party, what's the food expenses, table, chair, decoration, any event you are organizing. So the budget is being split into different parts, and you can mention it in the simple excel format. It's simple excel wherein you just need to mention different tasks, and you need to give weightage, give the budget, like 60,000 is available for the food, 20,000 is approved for the liquor party, 10,000 is for decoration, 5,000 is for conveyance, and so many things. So you just split your budget and prepare an excel and copy paste it to the word document. So this is the way how you create a uh, how you can create a overall project budget. So this is the way how we can just cover in the first question. So there are four things, two different things. One is project budget, one is project charter, and again we are splitting it two things. One is the introductory part where we are giving a brief about that particular topic, like the project charter and the project budget, and secondly we are preparing as per the case study of the dinner party. So first question is pretty much clear. Moving to the second question. So if you go to the second question, to successfully organize a dinner party, analyze the feasibility study of different life cycles with corresponding risk. So here we just need to give a brief about the life cycle. Life cycle means what are the various steps which you follow to organize that dinner party, and after that we give a brief about the feasibility study of each life cycle. So we need to combine the two things. One is the life cycles and the second one is the feasibility study. So if you go to the page number 20 and 65, so firstly we give a brief about the generic project life cycle. Second, we need to talk about the various variables in the feasibility analysis, and then we need to relate the same with the dinner party. So going to the page number 20, generic life cycle, it's basically a project life cycle. And if you have read, if those who are from IT background or from the project management background, they are well aware, and it's a very common life cycle which start with the project initiation, then complete analysis and planning, then the actual execution of the project, then its control and monitoring, and at the end it's the closure. So these are the five phases of any project. Maybe it's a good services, any new action item. For this, we normally follow this particular generic life cycle. Now, next part comes as the feasibility study. So, if you want to study about the feasibility study, it's mentioned on page number 65, in which there are different feasibility studies are being mentioned, like the operational feasibility. So, if you want to relate the operational feasibility with your dinner party, then certain operations comes into the picture, like what will be the date, what will be the time, what will be the event, how many chairs being required, it's an open ground or it's a closed ground, it's a rooftop or it's a dining room. So there are n number of things which needs to be considered in the operational part. So we need to check the operational feasibility. Then next part comes as the, so feasibility, we are having different feasibility studies. The second is the market feasibility. So we need to think about the marketing plan. We need to think that okay, how we just gather all the 60 persons, what is the restaurant being available, there are multiple restaurants, what are the charges, maybe someone is available on weekdays or weekends, any discounts being provided. This is market feasibility. Then next part comes as the technical feasibility. In technical, here we are not covering much part because it's nothing a technical project, it's an operational part. So you can skip that part, or maybe firstly you can give a brief of all the feasibility studies, and after that you can specify with respect to the uh, uh, dinner party uh, analysis. Then next part comes as the economic and the financial feasibility. So economically and financially, like what's the budget approvals, whether it's exceeding the budget or it's within the budget, how we can control the overall costing of the dinner party. So these are the certain things. Legal and regulatory, like if you're organizing certain wines or liquors, then is it legal, or there might be some issues into this. Late night parties are allowed or not after 10 p.m. Normally sound systems are being closed, DJs are not allowed. So whether whatever we are doing, it's within the legal compliance of that particular city in which you are holding the dinner party. So these are the certain ways, like the environmental feasibility. So after the complete party is being held and the wastage is being properly managed, that's again your part. Maybe you can talk to the restaurant for that. Social feasibility, it's all under the social there should be nothing which will impact other families or other people who are coming to that restaurant, like you are making fun or you are making hodgepodge, and it will create a nonsense to that particular party. So these are all the certain feasibility studies which you need to do while organizing a dinner party. So just relate it with a normal thing, like if you're organizing your birthday party, how the things will be managed. Just adding a little bit more to the project stuff, like you are following a step by step procedure for implementing that particular project. So second question is pretty much clear. Moving to the third question. In third, we are having two parts. Again, I already mentioned third is not a question. We are having only four questions for second, 3 and 3b. So don't write anything in the third question. Just write in 3a and 3b. So for the same dinner party, prepare a work breakdown structure. So it's straightforward. We need to give an introduction, a brief about what is WBS, or it's a word breakdown structure. So going to the page number 152, it's mentioned as work breakdown structure. As the name suggests, we are breaking the complete work into the different chunks, into different obviously it's a complete big project. If you're considering it as a complete big project, we need to split it into the small activities, like firstly preparing a plan. The next part comes as the calling to the friends and colleagues. Then third part comes as talking to the vendors, various vendors like the restaurants. Then deciding the menu. Then next part comes as the table chair arrangement. Then adding additional entertainment features. The next part comes as the complete organization. Then next part comes as what's that mode of transport. Then next part comes as after ending up the complete stuff, mode of payment. Then next comes as the last but not the least, getting the feedback, or maybe one more step is the cleaning activity which we had discussed earlier. So this is the way how we can break this complete project into small chunks. So for this we can simply create a work a WBS, you can say it's a work breakdown template. So a brief is already being provided. How to prepare? It's very simple. Go to the Word document, go to the inserts, and insert you will find Smart Art. In Smart Art, if you go to the hierarchy, then you will get these number of options. You can choose any one of them. Maybe you can just choose this one, and you can just put hierarchy, putting it A over there, and then splitting it into B, C, day. Then after that again you are just putting the tab to prepare more subchilds. So this is the way how you can create a sub a complete work breakdown structure. You can define the different colors based on your need, or maybe you can just change the colors as per your need. So this is the way how you can create a work breakdown structure in Word document. So I think the third question is pretty much clear. Moving to the last question, third B, draw a Gantt chart for indicating the progress and resource use in each task. So, firstly, we need to again give an introduction of the Gantt chart and draw the Gantt chart for the dinner party project. Going to the page number 185. So, going to the page number 185. So if you see this, this is normally a bar chart wherein we are just scheduling and monitoring certain kind of activities. Like we are mentioning, okay, from first to fifth we are doing this activity, fifth to sixth we are doing this activity. So date wise we are breaking down. So it starts with, maybe if I talk about 1st of April, the project will start from 1st of April and end with 8th of July. So this is the way how we create a Gantt chart. Now let's quickly see. This is very important how we can create a Gantt chart in Excel. Go to the Excel, Maybe you can just mention the dates. I'm just putting it A, B, C, D just for time being. You can just mention the dates and putting it the values as how much part is completed, right? And just select this one, complete, go to the insert, then go to the, I think there is, yeah, there is bar chart option. You can go to the more column charts. In this, you can select bar. In bar, there is an option of stacked bar. So just click on stacked bar and you can just get this one. Maybe I think the values I have not put it correctly, so it's not showing correctly. This is the way you can get the values, and maybe you can just modify the values, just make it look it in a proper way, right? So you can use this particular chart defining different activities, starting the percentage being completed, or maybe you can use the another one. It's purely up to you, like which you want to use. And if you go to this, you can use 100% stack bar chart. This is as well, wherein you are putting the different values. I think that won't work. So this will show how much percentage is being completed, and you can just choose, put the values as per your convenience, and you can just select the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not being changes, so maybe, but yes, this is the way how you can just create. Maybe just you can do a little bit of R&D to just get the move the values. Maybe you can use different words, 2D 3D words, bars, to just draw a Gantt chart. Just simply copy paste, just prepare the Gantt chart in the Excel, copy paste to the Word document, and it's all done, right? So this is the way how you can prepare a Gantt chart. So I think we have covered all the three questions, and if you have any doubts, facing any issue, any challenges regarding assignments or exam, feel free to connect to me at ngsa.mba@gmail.com. And if you like this video, do like to subscribe and stay connected for further videos. Thank you so much.